Dear COMEDK aspirants, if you do not understand accept and freeze, accept and upgrade, and reject and withdraw, you could make a costly mistake during seat allotment. Let me simplify all four options for you right now. The first option is accept and freeze. So this is a decision taken when you are allotted a seat and you want to lock this seat, means you are happy with the seat and you do not want any further upgrades. What happens is you keep the allotted seat, you pay the required fee, you exit the counseling process and your seat is locked permanently. You can choose this when you get your dream college or dream branch and when you don't want to take any further risks. Let's take an example. You wanted computer science and engineering at ABC Institute of Technology and you get it in round 1. Then you select accept and freeze. The second decision is accept and upgrade. You take this decision when you get a seat of your choice, probably, but you want to look for the better option in case if it is available. What happens is your current seat remains protected. You still can participate in the next rounds, but if a higher preference is available, your old seat is automatically replaced. So you can choose this when you are satisfied with the current seat, but still you have higher preferences in your choice list. Example, you get electronics and communication engineering at PQR college, but computer science and engineering at the same college is your higher preference. Then you can say accept and upgrade. The next slide says about reject and upgrade. So you are allotted a seat and you don't want to keep that seat and you want to take further chance in the next rounds. What happens here is you give up the allotted seat. You move to the next round. Remember, there is no guarantee of a better seat. You may end up with nothing. You can choose this when you strongly dislike the allotted seat to you and your intuition is strong that you might get a better seat in the next round. You are willing to take the risk. Example, you get mechanical engineering in a college and you don't want that, then you say reject and upgrade. Risk is involved. The last decision is reject and withdraw. So when you really think I'm done with the COMEDK counseling and I want to leave it. So what happens is you surrender the seat, whatever you are allotted with, you exit the counseling completely, you cannot participate in future rounds. You can choose this when you have a seat through either KSET or JEE or through management quota and you no longer want a COMEDK seat. For example, you secure a seat through KSET and don't need a COMEDK anymore, then select and withdraw. Dear aspirants, make your choice wisely. Thank you. Wish you all the best.